Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me Syed Sani Asnain with Sani Official, made every language easy. So today is our lesson number 4, episode number 4 of Exustive French course. So today in this lesson, in this episode, I'm gonna teach you the days of week in French. So before the starting of this lesson and this episode, I want to tell you that you have to be very careful about the pronunciations of French days of week. That's the way you will be genius and master in French. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So the first one from the days of week in French is Monday. Monday in French is lundi. Lundi. Tuesday in French is mardi. Mardi. Wednesday in French is mercredi. Mercredi. Thursday in French is jeudi. Jeudi. Friday in French is vendredi. Vendredi. Saturday in French is samedi. Samedi. Sunday in French is dimanche. Dimanche. So we have completed our days of week in French. We'll meet soon in my next video in the next lesson. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye.